creeping along on this highway. I am headed to the Nikola Motor Factory. Groundbreaking was on July 3rd or 23rd or sometime recently. One of my followers on Twitter sent me this address, so I'm headed there. Headed to, stand by, I'm 8 minutes away. 4901 East Hauser Road in Eloy, Arizona. I can tell you that I would not feel safe if this were nighttime, because during the day, I really don't feel safe right now. This is a very underdeveloped area. It's very remote. Not loving it. Kind of looking forward to getting back on the 10. But I thought since I was headed back from Phoenix to Tucson that I might as well swing by. So stay tuned. We're almost there. This is what it looks like out here. There's railroad tracks. There's empty fields. Some beautiful clouds. And then storm weather today is really beautiful. Very remote. There's not much out here. I could see that he probably got some pretty inexpensive, so that would make sense. Doo-doo-doo. 113 degrees. Going 46 and a 45. Straight ahead on the right, that interesting shaped mountain, that's called Picacho Peak. And then there's a town dump, it looks like, to the right. And absolutely nothing that direction. It's interesting to have, this will be the third manufacturing facility for an electric vehicle company. We have Atlas Motor Vehicles, we have Lucid Lucid Vehicle, and then we have Nikola, all in Arizona. Very interesting. It's like a EV hub. Land is a lot less expensive than California, that's for sure. So stay tuned. We're gonna be turning left here onto Battaglia Road. The speed limit is 25 miles per hour. Going 28, I'm speeding. Here's what we're looking at here. I don't know if this is reservation, Indian reservation or not. Sorry, that's me snoring. It's 111 degrees, make a wish. I know you don't normally do it for degrees, but I'm going to. And I'm at 11,700 miles, exactly. Pause for a wish. Boom. Oh, there's a dig. Just wandering. Oh, yay, 35. Woohoo! Let's get wild. Here we go. We're almost there. 4 minutes away. Oh, I'm speeding. Wow, there is nothing out here. Wow. Wonder how much you got this land for. There are utility boxes though. It looks like they do have a neighborhood built out right there. Beautiful clouds and weather today. This is Eloy, Arizona. Wild out here. Literally and figuratively. Wild West. There's electricity, that's good for an electric vehicle company. Alright, let's see what we have here. 3 minutes. Oh my gosh. Pretty farmland. I love farmland that's green. Reminds me of the Midwest. Ooh, 50 miles an hour. Woohoo! Now I feel like desert abyss that way. I wonder if that's a popo right there. Whoop, whoop. Oh, nope, it's not. All right, here we go. Okay, I think this says City of Eloy, so I think this is actually in Coolidge. Ooh, there's sunflowers on the side of the road. Here we go. Wow, there is nothing out here. Like nothing. Nothing. See behind me, there's nothing. Cheap. Beautiful farmland.
Turn left onto Arizona 87 North.
There's a dust devil going on over there.
Turn left onto Arizona 87 North.
I definitely will take the 87 back to the 10, that's for sure. Oh, 1 minute. Oh my gosh, it's so slow.
1 mile.
Okay, continuing for 1 mile. Beautiful that way though. Whew, it is a hot day. You can see the, whatever it is that it looks like it's vapor, water vapor on the road, but it's not. It's an illusion, a desert illusion. It's 100 and, oh, it's dropped to 105 from 111. Wow, we must have gotten higher. Very desolate out here. Okay, so it looks like it's on the right that it's pointing to. See Hauser Road?
In half a mile, turn right onto East Hauser Road.
Smells like marijuana. Or a skunk. But not as skunky. Let's see if this is it. Hauser Road.
Turn right onto East Hauser Road, then you will arrive at your destination.
I wonder if that's it. Oh, it's in Coolidge. Burp.
You've arrived.
I've arrived. All right. Well, it looks like there's a farm still right here, or livestock. Oh, look at the cattle. Oh, oh, I hope that's not a butchering farm. Okay, there's a railroad track. That's a good sign for them. They can have stuff delivered via railroad. All right, this must be it. Pretty out here. I bet it's right here. Yep, I bet that's it. Yeah, this is totally it. Oh yeah. Here we are. hold on to your hats, socks, shoes, everything, because here I am at NKLA construction site. Groundbreaking. It appears as though, yeah, they did break some ground up there. Here's what we're looking at. There's still a bottle of water over there. Pretty mountains. This is Coolidge, Arizona. Just on the border of Eloy. You can see a dust devil forming out in the abyss. Yeah. Here we are. Nikola Motor Company, vehicle company. Let's go look at the groundbreaking, shall we? There it is. I obviously had something here. Groundbreaking. Very quiet out here. Yep, here it is. Probably, likely, ribbon cutting, groundbreaking. Looks like maybe that's part of the string that was cut. Wow! All right, it's 100 and something degrees. It's hot. Here we are.